Hi, I'm Claire. I'm 5 o'clock open on Instagram and I'm cooking today at my home with Everhot, and I'm going to show you some recipes that I like to cook here using my oven. So I'm going to make butter chicken today, but instead of using chicken, I'm going to use the leftover turkey. I've got some plain yogurt. Enough. I'll give you the recipe. And we've got some tandoori spice blend, about 3 tablespoons. And we've got the juice of half a lemon. Right, ideally you're going to leave this to marinade throughout the day for 6 hours in the fridge, but you know, you can do it for up to 30 minutes, it's fine. Just give that a good mix. Right, you can leave that to marinate. Right, we're ready to start cooking. I'm gonna add some ghee. You could use butter or oil if you prefer. Got all our ginger and garlic into there. Right, we've got some fenugreek. Got some garam masala. Smelling delicious already. Right. Right, we've got that all frying off and smelling outrageous. We've got a tin of tomatoes. In that goes. Got a bit of tomato puree. About 2 tablespoons. And some salt. Right, and plenty of black pepper. We've got our turkey that's been marinating in the yogurt. We're going to add that to the pan. We're going to add a splash of water and we're going to bring the pan up to a bubble and then put it on the simmer plate to sort of cook steadily for around 45 minutes to an hour. Some water. That good mix. Okay, so we've got our butter turkey bubbling away, smelling outrageous, the kitchen. We're just going to finish it off to serve, really. We've got some double cream, which is just going to go on top, so it's a really rich, delicious curry, this. Be generous. And then I'm going to sprinkle some garam masala on the top too. So at the beginning of the cooking, this gives a deep, earthy sort of resonance and spicing. And at the end, it gives a lovely little perfumey lift as you hit the table with it. So like that. Right, we're ready to serve it. Right, so there we have it. We've got a really easy, delicious recipe that's great for feeding a crowd. Makes use of your leftover turkey. Easy to make on the day. It's delicious. I'm going to serve it with some naan breads and some Indian pickles.